Are you in your 20s or 30s and wondering how to invest 10,000 rupees per month smartly? Whether you're just starting out or building your future, I've got a custom investment plan for every age group: 20, 25, 30, and 40. So stick around till the end, because the earlier you start, the richer you retire. Just 10,000 rupees a month could make you a crore potty, but only if you invest it right. Let me show you how the strategy changes as you grow older. At 20, no responsibilities, long-term vision, high-risk appetite. You have time on your side. Here's how I'd invest 10,000 rupees per month. 60%, 6,000 rupees. Equity mutual funds, small cap plus mid cap combo. 20%, 2,000 rupees. Direct stocks or ETFs, learn by doing. 10%, 1,000 rupees. Crypto or alternative high-risk assets, 10%, 1,000 rupees. Emergency fund, liquid fund, or savings account. Focus. High growth, take risks, and learn by experimenting. Early career, some responsibilities, need to plan. You. At 25, stability starts mattering. Here's the mix: 50%, 5,000 rupees. Diversified mutual funds, index plus mid cap, 20%, 2,000 rupees. Stocks, focus on quality blue chips, 20%, Rs 2,000. Emergency plus term insurance, 10%, Rs 1,000. Crypto or REITs. Start SIPs and take a term plan now to secure your future. Family, home, EMI, child planning. You. Now you need more security and stability. 40%, 4,000 rupees. Large cap mutual funds or index funds, 20%, 2,000 rupees. PPF or NPS, tax saving plus retirement, 20%, R2,000. Child plan or insurance linked investment, 10%, R1,000. Gold ETF or sovereign gold bond, 10%, R1,000. Emergency fund diversification becomes very important at this stage. Peak earnings, but limited risk-taking ability. You. At 40, your goal is to protect and preserve wealth. 50% are 5,000. Safe debt instruments, PPF FD bonds, 20% are 2,000. Balanced mutual funds, equity plus debt, 20% Rs 2,000. Health plus life insurance, 10% Rs 1,000. Conservative gold or REITs focus is now on peace of mind and retirement safety. Here's the magic of compounding. Starting early at 20 could make you over 2 crore rupees, while starting at 40 gives you much less. That's the power of time. Focus is now on peace of mind and retirement safety. It's not about how much you invest, it's about how early and how smart you do it.